As you can see, one of the benefits of being able to take the PowerPoints and paste them into Paint or what have you is that you can take the files and put pages from nonfiction in the order that you'd like them to look at it. One of the strategies is to look at the introduction and the conclusion at the same time, and when you take the PDF files from the A to Z books and apply Paint or whatever program you're using, you can put them right next to each other. And then you can make comparisons by just simply highlighting. And what I'm using is an infrared pen that was really easy to make. And Nintendo Wiimote. So right now my Wiimote is talking to my laptop. And so we can sit in a group for guided reading and we can work with this. And this is an engaging way to get them to work with the book and meet with me back here in this group. And then the next thing you could do is go to the next thing. So then the next page I looked at after the introduction and conclusion would be just the start of the book. And then that way we can either go on and we can underline some stuff or we can highlight. Change my color. And the Great Depression is not going to the United States. Economic slump, Great Plains. Probably, if I wanted to draw a line, I might do something like that. So I could draw a line to it, I highlight it, or whatever. I could draw a skinnier line if I want. But this way we can paint, put the things back and forth. Another thing this has evolved into, which was not my intent, but the kids took off with it, which was they took these images and turned them into PowerPoints back and forth again, and that becomes their source material for their web pages. And there should be links with the rest of this graph that shows what they've done. Because another strategy I do, I put a box at the bottom, a text box, once I've taken it out of Paint and put it in PowerPoint, and they can type in their notes at the bottom of each one. And when you see the links, you'll see that you can see the evolution of their thoughts as they move through this paper. And then as they do the extended response at the end of the book, you can see how the extended response is asked in the form of a research question, which will lead to connections to the content areas of science or geography. And then that product actually becomes a part of their web page too. So it's a way to integrate guided reading instruction, content area for the state standards, technology, and writing and reading. So all levels of literacy are being hit.